It's good to be with you here. All right, we've got some great product announcements coming up this afternoon, but I thought to kick it off, I would zoom out for a minute and talk about why are we doing all this? Why are we here? Well, the mission of Coinbase is to increase economic freedom in the world. And we think crypto is a unique enabling technology to accomplish this mission. So what does economic freedom actually mean? Well, first, it means that it's your money. You should be able to do whatever you want with it. It means cutting out the middlemen with their high fees and their added delays and friction in the economy. It means fast, cheap, and global payments for people all over the world, anybody with a smartphone. And crypto is ultimately about freedom and individual sovereignty. So crypto has an important role to play now more than ever because of what's going on in the economy. Usually when you see an up and to the right graph like this in a product demo, it's a good thing. Well, this is not a good thing. This is the US federal government debt, and it's expanding at an exponential pace. I think people right now are really feeling a lack of surety about their money, about deficit spending, and this is not just true in the United States, it's true of democracies around the world. And so it's also not a coincidence that we're seeing all-time high prices of Bitcoin. People are turning to Bitcoin as a refuge from inflation and deficit spending, and it's ultimately going to be a check and balance on this kind of activity. If this continues, there's a very good chance Bitcoin becomes the next reserve currency of the world. Now, while Bitcoin is a store of value, and it's a check and balance on deficit spending, stablecoins are the medium of exchange. They're also having a massive up and to the right graph, but this time it's a very good thing. The stablecoin market cap is up 50% year over year, and it's totally uncorrelated with crypto trading volume. So crypto has really found its next daily use case in stablecoins, and this is really just the beginning. Now at Coinbase, we are really trying to drive crypto adoption and grow the TAM of crypto, and we've always believed that this would happen in 3 phases. So that first phase is really about crypto as an investment platform. It started off with Bitcoin, we listed more crypto assets, and now we're seeing tokenization of real-world assets as they come on chain. In fact, in the last year, the tokenization of real-world assets was up over 200x. There's about $20 billion that came on in the last year. But crypto is not just about trading, it's also updating financial services. And our vision here is not to just put a modern UI on top of the same old payment rails. We're building a new financial system layer by layer from the ground up. New rails, new money, and new financial services, like Bitcoin-backed loans using DeFi and stablecoin payments. And then finally, the third phase, crypto is not just going to be about financial services, it's also a platform for the next generation of internet applications. And I'm really excited for Jesse from the Base team to come up later today with some of our industry experts out there who are building this future. We're seeing things like decentralized identity, decentralized social media, use cases like prediction markets really start to take off and go mainstream. And the future of the internet applications are really going to be built on chain as well. Okay, so we've got some exciting product announcements coming up in this theme of how do we go through these different phases. And they all relate to Coinbase's 2025 top priorities, which are around our core business growth of trading and payments. So I'm really excited to give you a sneak preview, and then we'll have leaders from Coinbase come up and give you some more detail later today on each of these. So first, Coinbase has served large financial institutions and large companies for a long time. We actually serve over 200 institutions like BlackRock and PayPal and Stripe. But today, we're announcing a new product for startups and medium-sized businesses called Coinbase Business. Second, we're announcing a powerful set of payment APIs that bridge the gap between stablecoins and fiat currencies in different countries around the world. Number 3, we're expanding our core business around trading by introducing derivatives, especially options trading with the recent acquisition we made of Deribit. And we're also seamlessly integrating decentralized exchange, or DEX trading, into our products, which will help us go from a couple of hundred assets you can trade to ultimately millions. And fourth, we're building a new consumer payment product that lets you spend crypto anywhere in the world with incredible cashback rewards. So in summary, crypto is eating the financial services industry, and Coinbase is the leading crypto company. Now with that, I want to invite a special guest on stage. It's one of our launch partners and somebody who knows more about e-commerce and payments than just about anybody in the world. Please join me in welcoming Toby Lutke, the CEO of Shopify.